Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. A big massive shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east and west of the United Kingdom to start their hair growth journey with me, and to all my clients who traveled from other countries. May I talk about the United States of America, South Africa. Big up on yourself. One love. Sitting in my chair right now is one of my very loyal clients, Lloyd. Lloyd has been bringing his children to me for a couple years now to get their hair done, and now he's finally decided to venture on his own hair growth journey, and I am so excited. So he's had his afro out for a few months now, and the length of his hair is already 2 to 3 inches long, so we're at a good start. So big up yourself, Lloyd. One love. This is a 4C ear texture, and the level of shrinkage is less than 50%, which is quite good. Shrinkage below 50% is quite manageable, but when shrinkage becomes more than 50%, then the maintenance becomes more difficult. And I know some of you guys are still very confused about the different hair textures and the different levels of shrinkage, so I started collecting strands from each of my clients, and I will be putting all those strands together in one video so that I can explain to you guys more in depth on the different types of hair and how to recognize them and how to maintain them. So please subscribe, turn on the notification so you don't miss out on anything. For those of you who don't know who I am a short hair braider located in London, United Kingdom, and you can find my contact details in the description box below. On this channel, you will find videos of different clients with different hair textures, and I'll be posting updates on some of my clients and their hair growth journeys. So please subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on a thing. And I'm gonna keep saying it and saying it and saying it. Subscribe, turn on the notification. So guys, if at the end of this video you're still very confused about my technique, please just drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Guys, please comment. Even if I don't have anything good to say, I still would like to hear you guys comment your thoughts, whether positive or negative. Or just comment and let me know what you think about this tutorial. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and whatever other platform on the see me pan. Just follow and support the thing.